I welcome you all to this interactive video session of the last chapter of your computer syllabus, and that is the 10th chapter, Internet Online Surfing 2. Before going in detail regarding the topics that we are going to discuss, I would like to highlight the topics of today's discussion. Through this interactive video session, we will deal with few topics regarding this chapter, and these are: first topic is regarding the app. We have to understand the meaning of app, and the category of app is of two types, such as desktop app and the web app. And the last topic is regarding the Google apps. There are different types of Google apps, namely Chrome, Search, Hangout, Maps, YouTube, News, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, Calendars, Google Plus, Translate, Documents, Cloud Print, Books, Blogger, and the Google Talk and the Picasa. Let us start this discussion. This is the page number 159, and the topic is app. What is an app or application? It is a software that allow us to perform a specific task in the computer. And what is the type of classification of app or application? Any app may be of two kinds, that is the desktop app or mobile app. What is desktop app? See over here, these are used for desktop or laptop computers. We can say, in another word, those apps which will be used for desktop purposes or laptop purposes, which will be known as for desktop app, whereas web app are used for mobile devices. The basic difference between desktop app and web app is desktop app for desktop purposes and web app for mobile purposes. That's it. Mainly Google provides many more apps to help us perform various tasks. And the suite of Google applications or apps is known as Google Apps. And this Google app brings together the essential services, and these services are very much useful to us. What are the names of such kind of Google apps? This is the list of Google apps. We will be going through one by one, and we will discuss the main point over here. Like, first is the Chrome. This is the this is the symbol of Chrome, or we can say the icon. Chrome allows us to browse the web. Search, this is the search. It allows us to search the web quickly and effectively. Hangout apps, it will help to make video calls or send messages. To make video calls with one friend or a group of 10 friends. Using Hangouts, we can make video calls with one friend either, or maximum a group of 10 friends. We can also do a voice calls. Map app, this is the Google app, and it is very essential to know the use of maps in order to access to the navigation and the detailed maps. YouTube, this is very popular, and it will help to watch, upload and share videos. News app, this is the news app. It will help to search thousands of news stories, and it was developed by the Krishna Bharat. The initial idea was developed by Krishna Bharat. This is the Gmail app. and it is an online email service for free. Clear? Now I am turning the page. This is the Google Drive, and it allows us to access and edit files on go. That means it will help to access and edit files whenever needed, and we can easily create, share and keep all files on the Google Drive. This is the Google Photo app, and it will allow us to find, edit and share our own photos. This is the Calendar app, and it will allow us to organize our own scheduled event, and we can also share these events with the friends. And this is the Google Plus app, and it will help to update with the latest news and the stories and the friends. This is the Translate app. This is very essential and useful because it will instantly translate any text or web pages or files to about how many languages? 50 languages. This is the Docs app, and it will allow us to open, edit and create documents. This is the Cloud Print app, and it will help to print anywhere from any devices. This is the Book tab, and it will allow us to search the full text of books. Full text of any book we will get by using this Book app. And the Blogger, it will help to share us our life online with a blog. Now regarding the tech help, Google Talk. Google Talk is also known as Gtalk, and it was transitioned over to the Hangouts. Just remind this one. Picasa is another Google app, and it was acquired by the Google from a company called Lifescape in 2004, and Google Photos has replaced the Picasa, and it was discontinued in the March 2016. Thank you for watching this video, and we have discussed module 1 and the topics were regarding the app, web app, desktop app, Google apps, different types of Google apps. Thank you.